Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Uranus, rules Aquarius, exaltation Scorpio, detriment Leo, fall Taurus, GIF, derivation of letter H for its discoverer, Herschel, in 1781, represents, freedom urge, divine discontent, anatomy, the higher nervous system, body electricity, the ankles, keyword, the awakener, general, rules inventions, originality, science, electricity, magic, the occult, light, astrology, psychology, X-rays, airplanes and insight into nature's laws. It is futuristic, humanitarian, intellectual, eccentric, bohemian, egotistical and utopian. It also governs creative will, sudden change, revolution and dictators, individualism, ingenuity, rebellions and autonomy. Its action is sudden, unexpected and often violent. Uranus is a breaker of traditions. It is neutral and sexless and considered by many to be the upper octave of Mercury and the first of the transcendental planets. Recent research also associates Uranus with natural disasters, particularly earthquakes. Where you find Uranus in the horoscope is where you tend to do the unusual. 6th house, physical health. It shows the state of your body, health, habits, unconscious mind, service given, work, pets. Natural sign is Virgo. Natural ruler is Mercury. Keyword is duty. 6th house is a house of substance and earth. Quality is Caden house. General. The 6th house shows your work, health and habits. This house shows employment, employees, tenants, servants, pets and dependents. This house shows the service given to others, your common problems, your clothes and how you wear them, hygiene, food and diet, illness and all photo conditions. Affect your health. This house shows aunts and uncles, self-regulating and your unconscious mind. Here work and health are linked together. Uranus in the 6th house. The planet Uranus is in the 6th house of your birth horoscope, which indicates that your daily life is full of unexpected surprises, pleasant and unpleasant. On the one hand, you may be prone to unusual illnesses that disrupt your life, your job prospects and confuse the conventional medical world. You are sensitive to the environment and you need to be careful about unusual allergies and excessive stress on your physical strength. Although you prefer a busy and stimulating program, you can't go on indefinitely. More positively, you can enjoy unexpected opportunities related to your work or pleasant surprises that will light up an otherwise boring day. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.